Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing a quick weave featuring the CurlsQueen extension. So let's just get straight into that. As you can see here, I'm showing you my braid down, my base. If you want this install to be flat as possible, then I do recommend that you make your braids pretty small. So I'm using 2 wig caps and I'm just going to outline my leave out. So I'm using some brown thread to sew down the wig caps. This will just make it easier for me to remove this style. When it's time to take it down, I decided to skip using the protective shield and any other sprays for this style because the wig caps are going to absorb and catch most of the glue. So you shouldn't have much glue on your hair, if at all. So yeah, here I'm just cutting off the wig cap, and then we'll get into gluing the tracks, the extensions. So as I mentioned earlier, I am using extensions from CurlsQueen. Thanks to CurlsQueen for sponsoring this video. They sent me over 2 bundles of 16 inches in their light Yaki texture. And my first impression is definitely that the bundles are full. They are pretty thick. Each bundle actually feels like it's more of a bundle and a half. So I do think that 2 bundles will be enough for a full install. So of course, if you are interested, all of the information will be listed in the description box if you would like to shop with CurlsQueen. Now for applying the tracks. So this is pretty simple and quite repetitive. I just lay my tracks from one side to the other, straight across, nothing fancy. I'm not curving anything. I just take my time measuring them first. And for the first couple of pieces at the back, I did double the tracks. So I'm applying 2. So I just measure, cut, then put the glue, and I'm laying them from one side to the other, making sure not to get any glue or anything on my leave out.
and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? When you look, when you touch, when you feel, yeah. When you look, when you touch, when you feel, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When you look, when you touch, when you feel, yeah. When you look, when you touch, when you feel, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When you look, when you touch, when you feel, yeah. When you look, when you touch, when you feel, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know, I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? When you look, when you touch, when you feel, yeah. When you look, when you touch, when you feel, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I went ahead and straightened my leave out and everything, and this is how it's looking. I didn't straighten the extensions or anything. I also did not dye the extensions, so I literally just washed them, installed them, and this is how it's looking. I did kind of like dust the ends a bit. So here I'm just showing you that, of course, I could put it in a ponytail if I wanted to. I could pull it back. There is a bit of versatility here because I did leave out, a bit of my hair, but just showing you guys some options. So I went ahead and curled it, and this is the final look.
Can we talk about me and you?